Visual inspection is an FDA-required part of drug product manufacturing in order to ensure the finished product is practically free of visible particulates. Blow-fill seal is known for its very low particle generation, both visible and subvisible. Ironically, although BFS produces fewer particles than traditional glass filling lines, particulate inspection can be more difficult in BFS because polymer containers are more opaque than glass vials. Before filling and finishing your drug product in BFS, please consult your local regulatory agency and see if the excellent record of BFS for low particle generation allows your manufacturing line to meet a lower inspection standard.